Welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you how to create book mockups for your A+ content, and also you can use them for your social media marketing. So let me walk you through how I created this mockup here. First of all, I went to Creative Fabrica and I simply typed in book mockup in the search bar, and you can see there are lots and lots of different results. All right, you have different size covers. You have 6x9 mockups, 8.5 by 11, and you also have square book mockups as well. And over here, this is the one that I used. So all you have to do is to click on download, and we can use this for commercial and full print on demand usage. Then when we open up the file, we have some text here that tells us how to use the PSD file. And we also have some wooden backgrounds as well. So to change it up a little bit, we can change these different types of wood, and it will replace this one that you see here. All right, and the option that you want enabled to edit it will be the PSD file. And I'm going to show you a program that we can use to edit this for free. And that website is called Photopea, photopea.com. Okay, once you've downloaded your file, you want to go to Open from Computer. Then you want to open up the PSD file. Okay, and there it is. Now all we need to do is replace the front cover and the interior pages. So let's do the cover first. You want to come over to the panel on the right, and you can see that it says your book cover here. Okay, then you want to click on the transparent bit, double click on that, and it will take you to a new tab. After that, you want to go to File, Open and Place, and then you want to find a screenshot or the PNG file of your front cover. There it is, and I'm going to click on that. Then you want to resize it into place and make sure it covers the whole of the page. Before you do anything else, you want to press this tick to confirm. Then go back to File and then Save as Smart Object. Okay, that's been saved. Then if we go back to the Mockup tab, you can see that our image has been placed on the front cover. Now at this point, don't worry about how the quality looks. Once we export it, it will look much more detailed. Okay, moving on to the interior pages. So over here we go again, and we're going to do the right page, and you can see that it says that there. Again, click on the transparent box, go back to File, Open and Place, and then find your interior page. If you can't see your interior page, you might have to grab the layer and move it above the page that's in the way. Then click on your image, go to Edit, and then Free Transform. And then we can resize it into place. Okay, press the tick, back to File, Save as Smart Object, and then we can go back to the Mockup tab. All right, and you can see that it's been added there. Again, at the moment, the detail looks horrible, but once we export this, it will all be sorted. All right, for this left page, it will depend what type of book you have. Obviously, if you have a coloring book, you might just have a blank page here, but if you had a logbook or anything else, you can put another interior page here. Okay, so you would just follow the same steps as I've done here. You would double click on the left page, and then you'll add your interior page. But because this is a coloring page, we don't have another interior page to display. It's just blank. All right, so I'm going to come over to this layer here, the one with the text on it, and I'm just going to hide it. Okay, now it's just a blank piece of white paper. Then I'm going to go to File, Save as Smart Object, back to the Mockup tab, and there you go. When you upload this mockup back into Canva, you can then add some text like I did, and I'll just show you what I put. So I just put one-sided designs to prevent color bleed through. Okay, so that was added in Canva. Brilliant. Now, another cool feature about this mockup is it will let you change the background so you can make it unique to your A+ content. Now, to do this, you will open up the mockup folder again. Then we want to choose the wooden backgrounds, and we have a few different options here. All right, but you don't have to choose these particular wooden backgrounds. You can choose any background that you want. Okay, so go over to Creative Fabrica, have a look at all the different types of backgrounds, and then you can add it to this mockup to make it truly unique. For this example, I'm going to go with this one here. So what we have to do is just highlight the one we want and then drag it above the layer that says background color. And now you can see that the wooden background has been added. I think that looks pretty good. Now, just to repeat, when I added the background, I didn't go to File and Open. I just opened the folder on my computer and then drag and dropped it. All right, now we are ready to export this. So back over to File. You can save it as a PSD if you want, and that means that you can open up this particular project again with this cover and the interior. Then you can go to Export As, and we want PNG. Then I don't really play about with these settings. I leave them as they are, then click Save. Now that we've exported that, we want to come back over to Canva, add a new page. Then we want to go to Upload and then upload that mockup image. Okay, there it is. Then we need to make it as big as the page. And now that we've exported it, you can see that the details are crystal clear. Okay, so that is how you create book mockups with Creative Fabrica and a free photo editing site like Photopea. Like I said, we can use this for our A+ content, and also we can use this for our social media marketing. You can put this picture on Facebook, and you can also use it in your email to your email list.